students. Today I will explain to you calculation of packing efficiency. Calculation of packing efficiency in paste-centered cubic. Both SCP and CCP also same efficiency. So now we will start calculation of packing efficiency in paste-centered cubic or hexagonal close packing or cubic close packing, SCP or CCP or FCC. For this, first we will start consider a FCC unit cell. Consider a FCC unit cell. FCC unit cell. So here I taken one unit cell. It is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 8 corners. At 8 corners, 8 atoms are present at 8 corners. Because it is FCC unit cell, along with 8 corners, atoms are also present at paste centers. Now, in one paste center, I will take one atom here. So, I will mark like this A. It is atom. One sphere is present at point A. Another sphere I will mark at C. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a paste like this. A, B, C, D is a paste. A, B, C, D. So now in this here I am keeping one sphere. I am highlighting one sphere in this space. So like this between A and C. So that is one sphere between A and C. Between A and C. So this. So I will join this AC. What is this AC? This AC is a paste diagonal. What is AC? Paste diagonal. What about this one? What about this? Or this? This length is called edge length. This is paste diagonal. This is edge length, edge length, edge length. So all edge lengths are equal. Now I'll start here. Let edge length of unit cell is equal to A. Unit cell of edge length is equal to A. That means it is A. This length. BC, it is also A. AB, it is also A. So this AD also A. It is equal to A. Edge length is A. Same type, let radius of this sphere is equal to R. So that means this radius, this length from here to here, it is R. This one also R. From here to here, this one also R. This one also R. So that means total AC length. This AC length, suppose I will take this is as B. Total AC length. So that means what is AC length? Length of paste diagonal. Length of paste diagonal. Length of paste diagonal means that is AC. AC is equal to, suppose I say B, edge length is A, like paste diagonal length is B, that B is equal to 4R. AC is equal to B is equal to 4R. Why B is equal to 4R? Why B is equal to 4R? Because from here, this is one radius of this sphere. It is one more radius R. This one also R. This one also R. So total length of paste diagonal is equal to 4R. Now I will take one triangle in this cubic system. One triangle ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, you know AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. In triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square according to Pythagoras theorem. That implies, what is meant by AC? 4R. 4R whole square is equal to, what is AB? Edge length. What is BC? Edge length. So that means A square plus A square. 4R whole square is equal to A square plus A square. That implies 4R whole square is equal to 2A square. 2A square. That implies 4R is equal to, whole square is there, here also a square, 4R is equal to root 2 into A. 4R is equal to root 2 into A. That means, next step I will write A, root 2A is equal to 4R. That means A is equal to 4R by root 2. That means A is equal to 4, you can write 2 into 2, root 2 cancel 2 into root 2 times. So 2 into root 2 R. A is equal to 2 into root 2 R. So this is the relation between edge length and the radius of sphere. We want the relation between A and R. This point we will use in next step. Okay. Now one more step. Since it is a FCC unit cell, you know, in FCC unit cell atoms are present at all 8 corners and 6 space centers. So total number of spheres is equal to 6 into 1 by 2. That means 6 spheres like this. 6 spheres are present at space centers plus 8 into 1 by 8. 8 into 1 by 8. That means 4. So number of spheres, total number of spheres in FCC unit cell is 4. Therefore, I want to calculate volume of all these spheres, in FCC unit cell. Volume of all these spheres in FCC unit cell, how many atoms are there, how many spheres are there? 4 into, for each sphere volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, that means 16 pi r cube by 3. So this is the volume of all these spheres in the unit cell. Next, one more point I want to calculate, that is volume of the unit cell. Unit cell, what type of unit cell? It is a cubic unit cell. Cubic unit cell volume, what is the volume of the cube formula? A cube. V is equal to A cube. What is A? Already calculated A. 2 into root 2 R. That means volume is equal to, V is equal to volume of the unit cell A cube. A cube means 2 into root 2 R whole cube. 2 into root 2 R whole cube. That means 2 cube 8 into 2 16 into root 2 R cube. So this is the volume of the unit cell. Now last step, final step, packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is equal to, what is the formula? Yesterday class I explained packing efficiency. What is the formula? Volume of all these spheres by volume of unit cell. Volume of all these spheres by volume of unit cell. So that is equal to volume of all these spheres. How much came? Because 4 spheres, 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 16 pi r cube by 3 divided by volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell V is equal to A cube. In place of A, this one written 2 cube into root 2 whole cube means root 2 into root 2 into root 2. That means 2 root 2. 2 cube 8 into 2 16 into root 2 r cube. So divided by this, divided by I have to write 16 into root 2 r cube. So that's why I will write like this: 16 divided by 16 into root 2 r cube. Okay, 16 volume packing efficiency into 100, that is equal to into 100. Now we will simplify this one. 16 cancel, r cube cancel. So here pi 100 3 root 2. What is the value of pi? Pi is 3.14. Pi into 100 divided by 3 into root 2 1.414. So you simplify this one, you will get 74%. 74%. So it is the packing efficiency. So packing efficiency, calculation of packing efficiency in page-centered cubic or hexagonal close packing or cubic close packing. Once again I will revise. Take a page-centered unit cell, names given for these corners A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So 8 corners. Let edge length of unit cell is this, edge length is A, edge length is A. Radius of each sphere, this sphere radius is R. Length of face diagonal, because face center also one atom will be there, one sphere will be there. In face diagonal, length AC is equal to 4R, because 4 radius into 4 into radius. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AC? Already written here. 4R whole square is equal to A square plus A square. You simplify this one, you will get a relation between edge length and radius of this sphere. Edge length A is equal to 2 root 2 R. But in face-centered unit cell, spheres are present at 8 corners and 6 face centers. 8 into 1 by 8, face center means 1 by 2, 6 into 1 by 2, 4. Therefore, volume of all these spheres in FCC unit cell, all these spheres means 4 spheres, 4 into volume of this sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that is 16 pi r cube by 3. Volume of the unit cell. Volume of the unit cell formula V is equal to A cube. A into A into A cube. So you substitute the value of A, that is 2 root 2 R here. Then volume will get 16 into root 2 R cube. Therefore, packing efficiency formula, volume of all these spheres in the unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. It is the packing efficiency. So you substitute that A value, volume value and volume of all the spheres, volume of unit cell here. You will get finally packing efficiency is 74. Okay. Next we will start second. It is first one completed. Now second one. Okay. Next one, second one, calculation of packing efficiency in BCC unit cell, body centered cubic unit cell. Again I will draw one more cube, BCC. So you take one BCC unit cell. It is body centered unit cell. Consider a BCC unit cell. Okay. Let edge same like previous one. Let edge length of the unit cell, let edge length of the unit cell is equal to A. Edge length is A. That means this length is A. This length also A. This length also A. This length also edge. Edge length is A. You will give names this one A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is one BCC system. Like this. Body centered cubic, 8 corners spheres are present. Along with 8 corners, one sphere is present at body center. Like this, one sphere is present at a body center. Along with edges, corners, one sphere is present at body center. So that one, here, in between here it is there, body center. Now, I will take body diagonal. In earlier case, space diagonal taken. Now, I will take body diagonal. Body diagonal means this is one corner. This corner to this corner means that is space diagonal. Space diagonal. This corner to this inside, that corner, opposite. Top to bottom, opposite. So, this one is called body diagonal. So, now I will take this A and F. Highlight this A and F. This is body diagonal. Body diagonal. So, I will write one atom here. A. Like F also one atom sphere, atom will be there sphere, here also one sphere will be. So, spheres A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, 8 spheres plus 1 sphere at body center. So, now body length of the body diagonal. What is body diagonal? In this letters, AF is body diagonal. AF. Let that AF is equal to C. AF is equal to C. That is equal to 4R. Because it is one radius. This is one more radius. 2, 3, 4. So, total length of body diagonal AF is equal to C. That is equal to 4R. 4R. Now, I will take this one. I will join these two also, D and F, FD. So, this is space diagonal, it is B, it is C, this is A, edge length, this is edge length, it is space diagonal B, body diagonal is C. So, it is the diagram for this BCC system. Consider a BCC unit cell, let base length, length of the edge is A, radius of the sphere is R, radius of the sphere is R, and body diagonal, length of the body diagonal is 4R. Now, I will take one triangle, in triangle, right angle triangle, this one, DEF. I will take this triangle, DEF. What will happen in DEF? In triangle DEF, this is a right angle triangle. So, 90 degrees this one. Then, DE square plus EF square is equal to DF square. Okay. Then what is DE square? That is A square. What is EF square? A square. That is equal to B square. That implies B square is equal to A square plus A square. Okay. Next one more triangle I will take, this triangle AFD, triangle AFD, that is also right angle triangle. In triangle, right angle triangle AFD, here AF AF square is equal to AF square is equal to FD square plus AD square That implies what is AF square? AF square is C square. C square is equal to FD square is B square plus A square. What you got here? C square is equal to B square plus, last step I will write here again, C square is equal to B square plus A square. But you know, C, what is C? Body diagonal. Body diagonal means, what is body diagonal? Length of body diagonal is 4R. 4R whole square is equal to, what is B square? B square already there. B square is equal to A square plus A square. A square plus A square, that is 2A square. B square is equal to 2A square plus here A square. So that implies 4R whole square is equal to 3A square. 3A square. That implies 4R is equal to root 3 into A. That implies A is equal to 4R by root 3. A is equal to 4R by root 3. It is the relation between edge length and radius of the sphere. Relation between A and R. Now, first, since it is a BCC unit cell, you can calculate number of spheres. Total number of spheres is equal to, in BCC unit cell already discussed, how many corners there? 8 corners. Each corner, what is the contribution? 1 by 8 plus 1 sphere is at body center. 1 into 1. 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 1. So total 2. 2 spheres are there. Therefore, volume of all these spheres in BCC unit cell, volume of all these spheres in BCC unit cell is equal to, how many spheres are there here? Calculated 2. What is the volume of sphere? 4 by 3, 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that is equal to 8 pi r cube by 3. It is the volume of all these spheres in BCC unit cell. Similarly, you can calculate like in previous case, volume of the unit cell. Volume of the unit cell means volume of the cube. Volume of the cube, V is equal to A cube. What is A cube? A already there. 4R by root 3. 4R by root 3 whole cube. You simplify this 4R by root 3. 4R by root 3. So 4 cube 64. 4 into 4 into 4. 64R cube divided by root 3 cube. Root 3 cube means 3 into 3 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So that means 3 into root 3. 3 into root 3. So now packing efficiency. Final step. Packing efficiency is equal to, what is the formula of packing efficiency? Volume of all these spheres in BCC unit cell by volume of unit cell. So that means that is equal to volume of all these spheres is 8 pi r cube by into 100 is equal into 100. That is equal to 8 pi r cube by 3 divided by this one. So that's why I will write like this: 3 into root 3 64 r cube into 100. R cube cancel, 3 cancel, 8 times cancel. So what is there finally? Pi, that is 3.14. Pi 3.14. Root 3 is there, 1.732 into 100. by 8, 100 by 8. So 100 by 8 is 12.5. So you simplify 3.14 into 1.732 into 12.5, you will get 68%. 68%. This is the packing efficiency in BCC. How much it came? 68%. In this case also, take one BCC unit cell with edge length A, radius of the sphere is R. What is the difference in previous one and this one? There you consider only pace, one pace. Here you have to take body diagonal. Length of body diagonal is equal to 4R. It is the key step here. You take first this triangle. From this triangle you calculate B. B square is equal to A square plus A square. So that means B square is equal to 2A square. Next you consider one more triangle that includes body diagonal. So here C square is equal to B square plus A square. Instead of B square you can write 2A square. So you calculate A is equal to 4R by root 3. 4R by root 3. A and R. So that relation is A is equal to 4R by root 3. After that you calculate total number of spheres in BCC unit cell. Total number of spheres are 2. So total volume of atoms, total volume of spheres is 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of unit cell A cube. So finally packing efficiency, volume of all these spheres by volume of unit cell into 100. So you simplify this data, you will get 68%. It is the second case. Now I will go to third one. Second, okay. Now calculation of packing efficiency in simple cubic unit cell. Simple cubic unit cell. Consider a simple cubic unit cell. That means SCC. Earlier first one FCC. Second one BCC, now third one is simple cubic unit cell. Okay, here I will take one simple cube. So this cube has 8 corners. 8 corners. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So it is simple cubic means atoms present, spheres present only at corners like this. Only at corners. Will touch each other. 1, 2 like this. 3, 4 like this. Only at corners. Only at corners atoms, spheres will present. So here in previous case what we assumed, this total length is total length. Let length of the edge of unit cell is equal to A. Total length is A. This length is A. This length is A. This length is A. Total length. And radius of the sphere is R. Because it is a simple cubic system, spheres only present at corners. So that means these two spheres touch each other. That means edge length is equal to R plus R. That means what you can write here from this AB means edge length, that is A, that is equal to 2R. A is equal to 2R. That means R is equal to A by 2. It is the relation between radius and radius of the sphere and length, edge length. R is equal to A by 2. You know, it is simple cubic since it is a simple cubic unit cell. Simple cubic unit cell. Spheres are present, spheres are present only, spheres are present only at corners, only at corners. That means therefore total number of spheres in simple cubic unit cell is equal to simple cubic unit cell. How many spheres? How many corners? 8. Each corner contribution 1 by 8. 8 into 1 by 8, 1. So only one sphere only will be there. Therefore, volume of one sphere, one sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. But volume of the unit cell, volume of the unit cell is equal to, what is the volume of the unit cell? It is length A, breadth A, height A. So volume of the unit cell is equal to A cube. What is A? You can write A means 2R whole cube, A cube, that is 2R whole cube. 2R whole cube means 8R cube. So therefore packing efficiency is equal to volume of total spheres in unit cell, volume of total spheres in unit cell by volume of unit cell into 100. So already this is calculated. Volume of total spheres means volume of one sphere only. Volume of total sphere means volume of one sphere. One sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is volume of one sphere. By what is the volume of the cube? Volume of the cube is 8 r cube into 100. So r cube cancelled. So what is the remaining thing? 4 by 3, pi is 3.14 pi value by 8 into 100. So here 4 also cancelled, 4 2 times 100, 50. So 50 into 3.14 by 3. So that means nearly 150 by 3. 50 into 3.14. That is you will get nearly 52.4%. So it is the packing efficiency in simple cubic unit cell. Okay.